All right, today we're going to bring a PlayStation 5 bag, and this is in case you're going to be traveling or moving around with your PlayStation. Now, it's very valuable to just get up and go without any protection. So this actually gives you great protection to when you want to mobilize your PlayStation 5. So on this bag itself, it's large enough so it's going to accommodate everything that you require, even your cables. So you can actually have spare controllers and so forth on the outside pocket. As you can see, you got plenty of pockets in here for your wallet and other phone accessories or maybe some games. These are cases, these are CD areas. So inside the case, I like the handle itself. This is leather, you guys can see, and has the buttons here that you could release. So you can open it up in the center. Now let's open up in the middle. Now inside you got the strap itself. So you can strap the whole entire case. If you want to use it as a briefcase or over your shoulders, this is a perfect thing. So inside, you're going to find extra protection in here. So there's a lot of foam in here in this area. And of course, extra area for your cables in here. So put the PlayStation 5, see how well it fits in here. And let's go ahead and put that. All right, so we're going to get our PlayStation 5. If you guys can see, it's a big, large PlayStation 5. We're going to put it here on the side. All right, we're going to open it up. And it's going to take pretty much all the space that we have in here. So let's go ahead and put the PlayStation 5 in here to see how well it fits. And of course, I don't have the base, so just make sure that you take off the base because that's not going to fit. So fitting in here, it's very snug, very snug. So the PlayStation 5 carry-on case, if you're going to travel, go to hotels or anything else, or you want to go on the road and you want to protect your PlayStation 5, this is a great way to do it. So, and open it up. Simple PlayStation 5 fits in here. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.